Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing our world. It powers our smartphones, personalizes our online experiences, and even assists in complex decision-making processes. However, this rapid advancement comes with a caveat. As AI becomes more sophisticated, so do the techniques designed to deceive it. The emergence of tools like StealthGPT, designed to bypass AI detection, has sparked widespread debate about the ethical implications and potential consequences of such technologies. These technologies employ various methods to evade detection, blurring the lines between authentic human interaction and AI-generated content. The implications of this are far-reaching, impacting everything from online content moderation to the spread of misinformation. The stakes are high, and the time for action is now. StealthGPT aims to operate undetected in the digital realm. It mimics human writing patterns, making it difficult for AI detectors to flag its output. This ability has made StealthGPT a subject of both fascination and concern. It adapts to different writing styles and formats, whether crafting a social media post or generating code, it blends seamlessly. Critics argue its power could be a weapon in the wrong hands. It could spread misinformation or impersonate real individuals online. The techniques employed by StealthGPT and other AI evasion tools are constantly evolving. As AI detection mechanisms become more sophisticated, so do the methods used to circumvent them. One emerging trend in AI evasion is the use of adversarial machine learning. Another trend is the use of generative adversarial networks, or GANs. These advanced techniques underscore the rapid pace of innovation in AI evasion. Ethical concerns: navigating the moral maze. The emergence of AI evasion technologies like StealthGPT has ignited a fiery debate about the ethical implications of such tools. Critics argue that these technologies could erode trust, fuel misinformation, and undermine the very foundations of online authenticity. The potential for misuse is undeniable, raising concerns about the need for regulation and oversight. One of the most pressing ethical concerns is the potential for StealthGPT to be used for malicious purposes. Imagine a scenario where malicious actors leverage this technology to spread propaganda, manipulate public opinion, or even incite violence. The ability to generate undetectable AI-generated content could have serious consequences, particularly in today's interconnected world. Another ethical dilemma stems from the potential impact on education and academic integrity. If students can use StealthGPT to generate undetectable essays and assignments, it could undermine the value of education and devalue the hard work of honest students. The uses of StealthGPT, from content creation to malicious activities. While the ethical implications of StealthGPT are a subject of ongoing debate, it's crucial to acknowledge the diverse range of potential applications for this technology. From legitimate content creation to more ethically ambiguous activities, StealthGPT's versatility makes it a double-edged sword. On the one hand, StealthGPT can be a valuable tool for content creators, marketers, and businesses seeking to enhance their online presence. It can assist in generating engaging social media posts, crafting compelling marketing copy, and even automating certain aspects of customer service. By streamlining these processes, StealthGPT could free up human creativity and allow individuals to focus on more strategic tasks. However, the same capabilities that make StealthGPT so beneficial also open the door to potential misuse. Malicious actors could exploit this technology to spread misinformation, create fake news articles, and even impersonate real individuals online. Societal impacts: reshaping our world. The emergence of AI evasion technologies like StealthGPT marks a significant turning point. These technologies have the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. One immediate impact of StealthGPT is in online information. Distinguishing between human and AI content may decline trust in online sources. The future of AI evasion, a balancing act. The future of AI evasion technologies like StealthGPT hangs in the balance. As these technologies continue to evolve, it is crucial to strike a delicate balance between harnessing their potential benefits while mitigating their potential harms. This requires a multifaceted approach involving collaboration between policymakers, industry leaders, and the public. One of the most pressing priorities is to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations for the development and deployment of AI evasion technologies. This includes addressing concerns about bias, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. By setting clear boundaries, we can foster an environment where AI is used responsibly and ethically. The future of AI evasion is not predetermined. It is a future that we will shape through our choices and actions.